Binubunot po yung lilac. Lilac tree. Meron na po siyang buds. Malaking lilac tree. Alam niyo po yun, yung lilac flowers. Ayan po siya. Malaki na po yan. May mga buds na po siya. Mag-start ng bulaklak. Yung color po ng lilac is parang pink na parang lavender. Pasensya na, marumi ang salamin. Oh. Na-uproot na. Oh, it's uprooted already. Done. Ito po yung nabagsak na po, mga puno, pine trees, mga sanga na putol dahil sa ice. Umulan tapos freezing po yung temperature, naging ice. Kaya mabigat po yun at yan. Nabakle siya, nabakle. Nagkandabakle. Ito po yan sa field ng biyanan ko. Malapit lang po sa bahay. Tignan niyo po, ang dami o. Yung pa sa gilid na hindi ko na nagkunan ng video. Ang dami. Ayun ang malalaki. Yan yung marami oh. May puno talaga nabagsak. Kasi po pagka yung umulan, siyempre yung tubig sa sa mga needles ng pine tree, sa mga sanga, tapos naging ice siya. Mabigat po yun. So ang nangyayari, nababakli yung sanga, napuputol yung puno, mabagsak. Tulak na lang po. Saka na lang yan at least over there you don't farm that area, that wet area there.
No,
So you're not gonna push that, only this one, right?
just these here.
This, yeah. Yep po. Oh, that's really the big pines there. Oh yeah, mayroon pong malaking pines. Tingnan niyo po oh. po. Malaking puno ng pine. Pine tree. Bumagsak talaga. As in, putol. Isang puno po yan. 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 Isang puno po yan. Kita niyo po, oh. Yan. Nakapagod na. Pagod na yung kamay ko. Mauga kasi. Ito naman po tayo sa ibang side. Ayan. Puno po yan. Oh. Ayan. Yung pines na yan. Kailangan alisin po yung mga harang. Yan o. Nabakle. Oh, diba? There's one also inside. There's also one inside there, but still leaning on the rest. Be careful this end here, Cal. Hop, hop. Go back. I'm gonna take it, Cal.
Just right over here around the
Oh.
corner. Cedar.
Yan po ilalagay sa sa corner. Hello mga ka-farmers at mga kabayan. Uy, mukhang wala na silang hiya. Andito ako sa maliit naming farm. At kanina pa si Cal umalis, mga 4:15. Right now, it's 4:45, 5:40. No, yeah, 5:45. Oh, that is so fast. 5:45 na pala. So they are trimming trees or whatever it needs to be trimmed, cleaning up. So I got my dog some water. Nabawasan na, naula. So ingat ako at ayaw kong makaapak ng tae dahil ang aking garden boots ay may crack. At nilagyan ko lang ng tape. So okay guys, I sprayed myself or my pants and my long sleeve and my garden boots with thick spray. So they are essential oils. Yan. Peppermint. I can smell the peppermint. Cedar, they don't like it. So I've been bitten by ticks for 3 times. Good thing they are not carrying that disease, Lyme disease. I forgot the other 2, and the other one is you will get an allergy in eating meat. You cannot you cannot eat meat anymore. Ayan, harvest nila lahat yan. As in flat. Tingnan niyo po, oh. Ayan po sila. Ayan si Blackie nasa unahan. Ayan, ang nakalabas. At itong black and white na si Lali. Ay, yan ang nakalabas sa gate. Ay, reko. Over here, sa fence. Hindi po sila dyan lumabas doon. Sinira nila yung ano. Kasi ano na yung ano post. Nabulok na. Rotted out. So they knocked down the fence there and they got out. That is the barn fence. And they went to the yard of our neighbor on the west side. Then they go back to our property and then live in here. Because they saw the rest are inside. So, good thing they did not cross the road. Yan. I don't know if cow will... Oh, there's an old fence here. Are you gonna put a fence here, cow? Are you gonna put a fence? Yeah.
Yeah, just like an electric fence. So
Oh. Yep. There's more there, oh. Ayan na ang pinuto. There's more in there.
yeah. Yeah, we got the big ones all down now. It's just the
Yeah.
brush.
Yeah. Hello, Cow Cow. Yeah, it's flat here already, Cow. Huh? Oh. They've been eating a lot. The grass here is short.